Hotel project, a complete flowchart we will see. Following are the main roles in the flowchart. First one is business development team BDT. Second is project team at headquarters. Third is divisional management committee and corporate management committee. We will refer it as DMC or CMC as per company size. Some companies may not have corporate management committee. So divisional management committee means if I have medical equipment division, hotel division, or maybe agricultural division. So this pertains to hotel division. So DMC is divisional management committee. Corporate office team on EHS. So you may have a corporate EHS environment health safety team. The consultant project management company PMC and quantity surveyor. These are the fifth role. Sixth is project team at site PTS. So there are two project teams. So one is project team at hotel and project team at site. So let us see BDT business development team. They see the market opportunity. They study identification of land in that market. Then they do land survey through external agency. They put a note for CMC approval. Like business development team may find a good opportunity that average room rate in this city, let's say X city, is around 4-5,000, and we can build a hotel. They submit all the analysis and report to corporate management committee. First it goes through the divisional management committee and then forwarded to for CMC approval. Then after CMC approval, land procurement is done. Then project team at hotel, they select and appoint local architects. Then the consultant or PMC prepares input data for main architect. Project team at hotel, they do appointment of main architect, and PMC or consultant, they do survey bill of quantity based on inputs from the local architect. Then project team at hotel, they appoint site security, do the fencing, they put company signages. Then the project team at hotel, they apply for Airport Authority of India or maybe National Airport Authority in your country for NOC on building heights. So all these inputs, project brief and everything, it goes to the survey or bill of quantity. Concept building plan is done by consultant. It goes to the DMC or CMC approval. If yes, then project team at hotel invites other consultants for appointment: structural, MEP, that is mechanical, electrical, plumbing, landscape, lead platinum, facilities consultant, accessibility consultant, etc. So in addition to this, the environment consultant requirement is also sought. If it is required, then DMC approval is taken. Then appointment of environment consultant is done in case of large projects. The project team at hotel, they negotiate with all above consultant. Then DMC approval is done for all other main consultant. Then appointment of consultant, letter of intent is given by project team at hotel. Then first design coordination meeting happens. The environment impact study is done by environment consultant. He prepares report. Government approvals are taken by this government, the environmental consultant. Then this consultant, there are structural and MEP consultant. These are the main two consultants. They do soil testing and water testing. Bill of quantity is done. BOQ approval for soil and water. Select agency for soil and water testing. Then soil water testing is done. And coordination meeting with architect, structural, MEP is done. Our company specifications are provided. Whatever hotel division manual is there. In case you need inputs, you can contact me. The structural and MEP will get back with respective concepts is second meeting. Then architectural concept plus structural design brief report, MEP design brief reports are ready. These design brief reports are sent to the corporate audit team, EHS team. They study it, they review and put comments on that. Then these design brief reports are studied and sent back. Design integration is done like structural and MEP. Schematic drawings preparation is done. Detailed design by architect, interior facilities is done. Then approvals are in place. Building plan, municipal corporation, fire department, pollution control, environment, etc. Hard copy of signed drawings to be stored at headquarters, project office. Budget preparation is done. Select project management company in case if you want to give your project to the PMC. Then CMC or DMC approval is done. First DMC approval, then CMC approval for PMC. Once PMC is on roll, they do tender preparation. Tender is prepared, negotiations are done, and contracts are awarded to different contractors like civil, mechanical, electrical, plumbing, and etc. So next is preparation of project team chart at site, approval of project team chart, establishment of local project office at site. It is in scope of the contractor. Drawing and quality approval plans, document control station with quality assurance engineer at site. If you have PMC, they will put the QA engineer there. Execution is done at site. Good for construction drawing. GFC is made by consultant and handed over to the vendors. The various vendors are hired. Vendor makes shop drawings and sends to consultant, the main architect, for approval. Once it is done, then issuance of work orders is done by PMC. Project team at hotel, procurement by procurement cell. For example, the material like cement and all other rubbers, masonry, etc., bricks, it is done directly by the civil contractor. But in case of capital investment like large equipments, kitchen equipments, it is done by the owner or hotel division, the procurement. It comes under capex. So the quality is ensured in this process. Then establishing vendor incoming material quality check process is done by PMC. Then filing documentation of incoming inspection OK reports is done by PMC. Good receipt note by head of section department is done. BOQ preparation is done by quantity surveyor. Approval of vendor bills by quantity surveyor and site manager is done. Approved vendor bills sent to the headquarters. Approved vendor bills checked and filed. Payment is made to the vendor by project team at hotels. Now the consultant or PMC at site, they do the in-process quality check of civil construction, then in-process quality check in MEP. Corporate EHS team comes in between. The corporate execution audit they do. Closure of non-compliance is done by PMC or the contractors at site. Identification of snags with operations team is done. Completion of snagging list given by hotel team, operations and project. So site clearance is done by PMC. Statutory approvals are sought. Corporate EHS, central EHS, CA audit is done. Closure of non-compliances are done by the team at project site or PMC. Then project team at site, handover of all final drawings to DSQ project team. They have to do. The project team at hotel, storage of final drawings and records in project library they do. Then site handover to operations team. Now here comes a pre-opening activity. The pre-opening activity start from here. So HR compliance check by consultant is done. The pre-opening process flowchart. First is pre-opening budget preparation is done at hotel headquarters. Then it is approved by DMC or CMC. It may be, for example, for 200 rooms. it may be around 4 to 5 crore rupees or 6 crore rupees crores. In case of Indian hotels, if you build hotels in India, then it covers three months operations expenses like salary, wages, benefits, as well as raw material required to run the hotel on trial basis. For 3 to 4 months, it is covered. Pre-opening department-wise activities per chart is made. Communication and follow-up with functional heads is done for their activities. It's a huge pre-opening checklist is there. So all functional heads has to follow that. In case if you need any help on pre-opening checklist, you can contact me on my email address. Pre-opening team stationed at site for 3 months, snagging all areas done. In this time, the inauguration marketing plans are in place. Coordination, media visits, blogger, hotel photo shoot is done. Website launch is done in this period because hotel is ready for photo shoot. Department wise budget monitoring and allocation of fund, approval of additional expenses done by pre-opening manager. This is very critical activity. The funds allocated department wise, it must be consumed, and no department can spend more than its budget. That has to be monitored by pre-opening manager. Daily weekly progress reports are sent to the headquarters like CEO or COO on the progress of hotel opening, and once hotel is ready to run, then it is handed over to the operations team like general manager of hotel. So this is complete project process flowchart. For consultation or formats, procedures, you can contact me on my email address. Please subscribe this channel to gain and share knowledge on hotel design, hotel pre-opening, hotel operations, hotel specific trainings, and implementation of Lean Six Sigma or business excellence in hotels. If you have any queries, you can post it on Facebook group or on my LinkedIn page. You can also contact me on my email address #123440@yahoo.com. Thank you.